Welcome to Stephen C. Foster State Park in southern Georgia. This state park is located in the Okefenokee Swamp. It offers a fantastic spot to base from while exploring this blackwater wilderness filled with bald cypress, Spanish moss, and amazing wildlife. The wildlife includes over 200 species of birds, deer, turtles, black bears, and of course, alligators. Two of our favorite ways to immerse ourselves in the Okefenokee Swamp are to walk the beautifully done Trembling Earth Nature Trail and Boardwalk and to take the ranger-led boat tour. You may have watched my video on the Nature Trail and Boardwalk. If not, I'll put a link to that video at the end of this one. And now, on to the boat tour. The cost in 2024, the boat tour was $22.50 for adults, children from 5 to 11, $15, and children 4 and under, free. Boat tour reservations can be made by phone up to 7 days in advance, or it can be reserved by visiting the ranger station. The tour is an hour and a half, and it actually goes by very quickly. I took a morning tour and only had 3 others on the boat, besides a fabulous and extremely knowledgeable Ranger Alex. I'm not sharing his voice or talk, as I didn't ask him, and honestly, if you're in the area, you need to take this boat tour. We saw birds, deer, and alligators, and learned a lot about the ecosystem and how important this swamp is. Jim took an afternoon tour. We had to tag team because of the nutcase. Oops, I mean dog. And why did I call her this? Well, this is her verbally expressing her displeasure at her dad leaving on a boat without her. The afternoon tour saw a lot more birds and alligators, but this boat was full, elbow to elbow. So if you're in this area, I highly recommend this excursion. This is one not to miss. If you've enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already done so, and remember to leave us a comment so we know you were here. As always, thanks for watching.